character. Oh fuck! Don't peek! Don't peek! Don't peek! Don't peek! Don't peek! Don't peek! I'm surprisingly alive.
Yeah. Don't be. Fuck.
Oh, I got a peek.
That was doing pretty good. Yeah, peek him.
Back around with ammo. Can't get an anti-material machine gun, so I gotta make do with the budget one, and that's the best one so far.
Oh!
Is this where we lost before?
Okay.
Yes, this is exactly where we lost. Because we're in the fucking street. It's objectives like this that suck to defend. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
Probably.
Satan's suckhole.
There's two of them.
Man, I love seeing that muzzle flash go off for that gun.
Where do they come from?
That's the thing. It's just shitty fucking streets, so yes. It's just sweet.
Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. Wow, I got rolled up on like 3 guys. Damn.
Went through this ammo like a fucking hotcake, dude. Great. With me.
God, it's fun so far. Not to run so far. It's so heavy. Oh, Jesus.
Hello, and just spawned in just now. Outside of everybody having an M4, I get to okay, guess what? That's not an M4, that's a blackout. I'm dead.
Got you covered. I need to reload.
Wait, did my character just say RPG? Oh shit.
What got you, Manu? A nade?
Yes.
I'm throwing a grenade.
Oh, that was a bad nade.
I'm on a street and everything is shooting at me. It told me actually the good question. What did not get me is the good question. It's the good answer.
Hey, we did it. Where is the ammo at?
Hey, very nice.